In this video, we're going to talk about the top DIY money-saving repairs that you can do on an 08 Dodge Ram. First thing I'd like to talk about is wiper blades. You can go to a parts store or online and order them. They're pretty cheap, 15 bucks a pair, but sometimes you find yourself paying at repair shops or dealers almost $70 for 2 wiper blades installed. Lift it up, twist it as a loop style, pull on the tab and lower it. Always bring the arm back down slowly, don't leave it up. Heaven forbid the spring should snap, you'll crack your windshield. But that's how easy it is to take a wiper blade off on an 08, and to install it, it's going to be the same exact way. Next money saver on our 08 Ram is with a 4.7 liter is going to be the air filter. Very simple, flathead screwdriver or an 8mm. You do not have to remove that. So let's show you if I don't remove that. So it's got little fingers on that side that slide in, and over here are metal clips. If your fingers aren't strong enough, just take a flathead screwdriver, pop them off. There's 4 total, and then 1 on the back here. And all you got to do is lift it up, slide it out of that little groove, lift it up, take your air filter out. Now you can replace this in under 10 minutes, so don't think that there's a lot of time involved and you're like, well, I'm paying them because I don't have time. That's quite an easy task. Check in here, make sure there's no little squirrel nests, little mice nests, leaves. Take them out if there is. Take your new air filter, install it. Just make sure it seats all the way down. It's nice, leveled, it's not being pinched. Then reverse procedure. Line up those tabs, pull it in, pull up on the tab. Third one I'd like to talk about is your battery. On this 08 Ram, it's located under the engine compartment, up here on the driver's side fender well. The whole job takes a 10mm wrench. You can use socket if you wish. I'm going to use a wrench. The only thing to remember about batteries is negative first and negative last. So disconnect your negative battery, loosen that bolt up, pull that cable off, set it aside, then do the positive, set it aside, undo your mount down there, pull that out, take your battery out, put your new battery in, positive first, negative second, and then remount it. And you're good to go. Don't forget to reset your radio stations because they're going to be gone. Next one I'd like to talk about is tire rotation. There is no material involved here, so they charge you just for the labor of someone taking tires off and rotating them. If you have a jack at home, you can do this easily. If you don't have a jack, check and see if your vehicle has a jack. Use the jack that comes with it and go buy yourself a pair of jack stands. They're very inexpensive, so they're not an expensive investment, and you could always use them for the future and save yourself some money. And not just that, but just have some fun. Always remember though, break your lug nuts free with the weight of the vehicle on it. Because once you put it up in the air, you're not going to be able to put a big torque on it to break those lug nuts free. On this truck, it happens to be a 22mm socket, and I'm just going to break them free, just like that. And then I can raise it up. After I do all of them, take them off by hand, rotate them from one side to the other. Another one, headlight bulbs. Everybody can do them. Very simple. On this particular truck, you can really get to it. It's not a big job. Located right here. This is the driver's side. You can see that gray connector, that's the headlight socket. So there's a little red tab on there, that's a safety lock tab. I'm just going to take a flathead screwdriver and I'm going to pop it off, pop it to the side. Like that. Then all I do is take and squeeze that gray tab down. Pull that off. And now you see that bulb right there? It's got those 2 ears on it, like a butterfly ear. I'm going to twist it counterclockwise, pull that bulb right out. And there it is. Now we're just going to reverse the procedure and put it back in. So I hope this video helped you out. Some quick money savers for you to do at home. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. That turns on all your notifications so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching.